dude, this is so sick. I've got some fantastic dirt today. Ridgeline! Ridgeline! Another Ridgeline, you! That right there was worth the drive out here. Oh, yeah! Like, what? What a day. Wow. Just got to the spot. The trail's like right up the road a little bit, so yeah, gonna get ready to go. I'm stoked. The video today, we are at a place where I've been wanting to hit for a while. It's all rock and really moon dust, and it's decided to rain, so this is gonna be interesting. There's a lot of slippy rocks. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's a bit slick out in the Rockies. Stopped raining, so that's good. On our way up. Glad it stopped raining. Goodness, this will be so slick. Look at these rocks. There, now it's getting fun. A little dust, made a little slippery right there. Look at this rock! Just a nice little sheet of rock field there. Oh yeah, getting up here now, finally. Lake, there's another lake right over there. So, right now, I mean, it's just been flowy and really rocky, so now that we're getting up on the ridgeline finally, pretty pumped. Rocket! These horse tracks on here, man. That's so cool that horses can go on stuff like this. Like back home on my favorite trail, when I met up with those horses, that was so cool seeing those guys, catching up to those guys, because usually, you know, you try to avoid horses, but catching up to them and just talking to them, and because they went over some burly stuff, so that was really cool. I think it was last year. Yeah, I think it was last year I ran into them. So yeah. So until it gets like, I don't know, up on the ridgeline or interesting, I'll wait till, or I'll show you guys back on then. Like a day old maybe. Yeah, the horses might have. Oh, look at this! Oh, I gotta stop and look. Look at this! Yeah, finally! Dude, it took forever to start getting some good views. Yeah, yeah. Just going down still to the lake down below. So pumped to see it. Yes! Oh man, this is so sick! So you can see, and then we go back to the rocks. The river, there's a creek outside. Oh, a little picnic table. Oh, table, little. Oh, dude, this is so sick. I think I'm gonna quickly eat something. Might go check out the lake. This is amazing. This is so sweet. Look at that water, so clear. Yeah, yeah. Let's go get up on those ridge lines. All right, back to the turnoff. Pretty fun trail, flowy. I would not want to be riding behind somebody. It's really dusty, so let's carry on. I have got some fantastic dirt today. So it did rain today, a couple parts up here, and rain. Oh my gosh. It's so good when there's no rocks, which is not very often. It's like we're going up finally again. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so epic. Woo. Rocket. Yeah. I see switchbacks right there in the middle, I think. All right, I'll turn you guys back on when we start going uphill. Like, what a day. Wow. Trail is so much better now than when you start, you know, when you're up in the Alpine. Down below, it kind of sucked. Yes. Oh, yeah. This is so awesome. Oh, I love their bikes. Here we go. That was cool. That right there was worth the drive out here. Yes. I'm gonna get my phone out, take some pictures. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh man, like I said in my Idaho videos, like I have to stop. Like when I cross a ridgeline, I gotta stop and just take it in, and then like I can ride. But if I keep riding, I'll try to keep looking and I'll crash. This is so cool. So we're pretty far into the video now probably, so if you haven't guessed, I'm out Foggy Mountain Dew. So yeah, it's pretty epic up here, man. I'm gonna look at my map because I know this is the way to kind of go to get out of here, but I think you can go maybe up and around something else to make it longer, so I'm gonna check my map out. But yeah, we'll see how it is. Reminds me of that burnt trail yellow jacket in Clayelum area, where it got burnt. All these the same flowers or weeds or whatever they are came up. The whole thing, that was a lot easier. I mean, that was nothing. I thought that was like sketchy with rock, like no trail. Oh man, somebody maintains these trails very good. This is a cool little off trail though. Instead of just going straight and getting out of here, you can tell this one doesn't get used as much. Ridgeline. I gotta stop again. I want to look that way. Alright. Super. Love downhill switchbacks. Down at the bottom. There were so many switchbacks going back and forth down that hill. It would have been awesome to come the other way. Where am I going here? That way? That looks... That's so cool. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today. I'm just climbing up and out of the valley. There's a road up here I'm gonna take back. See what time it is. 3:24. I started at like 12 today, so must be the road. What? That must be the road over there I'm gonna take out. Man, this fire was massive. What a day. Yeah, so I started off today going up the gnarliest trail for sure. Like, that would remind me of my favorite trail back home. I think that was gnarly. I didn't have any trouble with any part, but that's all because of the start that I did. It was intense. But I mean, I still got up and over everything easy. But it was nice, it was fun. Man, this trail is flowing good. Alright, I think that's good amount of good bonus footage. That's how you get a stick stuck in the wheel or through your radiator. Alright, enough bonus footage. Pretty sure everybody knows where I'm at by now. Awesome trail. I'm probably not going to do it ever again, but it was good the first time. Peace out. Yep, I'm buying an adventure bike. This is amazing.